Days after the big snowstorm, and some Coloradans are still digging out. Our copter capturing this video in Coal Creek Canyon over the weekend, where even a Jeep in all that deep snow, it's tough to get through. Good evening, I'm Kelly Worthman. Thank you for joining us on this Sunday. Of course, some parts of the state are hoping to hold on to that powder for as long as possible, namely at our ski resorts. Your reporter in the mountains, Spencer Wilson, joining us now from Copper Mountain. And Spencer, those guys got just about 8 inches of snow from the storm, which is one of the much smaller totals.
Absolutely, Kelly. And we are talking about 48 inches at Eldora. So much so they actually couldn't even open up on that day. But now that the roads are clear, they're making the most of it.
The remnants of the storm are here in the snowpack up in the high country, where it's being ridden with joyful exuberance, especially if you can find a pocket of powder.
It kind of feels like you're floating, and it's just so smooth and flowy that it's also really satisfying. So it's just something that you want to keep chasing.
There was plenty of it at Loveland last week too, but nobody got to ski it until Friday when they had 19 inches. Same goes for A Basin, who had to close up, but reopened the next day with some fresh totals around 18 inches. And Eldora was the big powder winner, but also had to close with 48 inches to dig out of. Winter Park stayed open and boasted more than a foot for skiers and riders, and all of this, great, if you could actually get to it.
We came from Fort Collins today, and just between knowing the roads were going to be good and just, nice, mild day.
Because they saw what it looked like last week.
Yeah, we would have probably come earlier in the week if it weren't for that.
And with a possibility for more snow on the way for Colorado, it bodes well for more powder days down the line.
Skiing a mountain that has good snow is basically what you always chase, and it gives you such a great feeling and adrenaline rush.
So keep dreaming, powder hounds, but watch the road conditions too.
Now, resorts further down I-70 got more around 5 inches, so really not a whole lot over at Vail and Beaver Creek, but snow is snow, right? We are just happy to get what we can so we can go out and play on it. Live at Copper, Spencer Wilson covering Colorado first.
Yeah, especially on a bluebird day like today. Looks good out there. Thank you so much, Spencer.